Well, welcome everyone to Khan Academy tutorial. I am Mr. West. We're doing area of a circle. It's a pretty straightforward Khan Academy, but I'm going to break it down, show you how to do it in case you're struggling. Find the area of a circle. We're doing this problem, this first question. Find the area of a circle with a radius of 3. Well, the formula for a circle is pi r squared. Pi is 3.14, and that's why it's saying enter an exact answer in terms of pi or use 3.14. So it's telling us we need to use 3.14 here. So we're going to put 3.14 times the radius squared. The radius here is 3, so we're going to do 3 squared, and we're going to type that into a calculator. You always need to do exponents first. So do that first, and that is going to be 9. And then we just need to multiply this by 3.14. And that's as simple as it is for the area of a circle. And there's my circle there. So I just need to do 9 times 3.14. And I get 28.26, 28.26, and that is my area. I'm just going to type it in as is, 28.26. Next question. Find the area of a circle with a circumference of 6.28. Okay, now, we know that the area equals pi r squared, aka 3.14 r squared. We need to know the circumference formula. So circumference is C equals 2 pi r. The main thing we're looking for here is we want to know what is r. But if we know circumference already, we can calculate r by solving for the missing variable. So we're going to plug 6.28 into our circumference formula, which we're given, 6.28. This is going to be equal to 2, and then we're going to use 3.14. It doesn't say to use 3.14 here, so we're going to keep it as pi. Okay, and then r is the thing that we're trying to find. So I'm going to change this to green. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to solve for r. So what we need to do here is divide by 2 pi to both sides. Okay, to get the r by itself. So then we have r equals 6.28 over 2 pi. There's my warning that we're short on time. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna type a decimal for that. So 6.28 divided by, and then I'm gonna use 3.4 for pi. So I'm gonna do 6.28 divided by 2 times 3.14. And I'm gonna get r equals, as I do this, 3.14 times 2. Okay, and I get 1. So I get my radius of 1. Now what I need to do is I plug this 1 into this first part. Okay, so then I have area equals 3.14 times 1 squared. Well, that's just going to be 3.14. 1 squared is 1 times 3.14, just 3.14 for my answer. 3.14. Okay, next question. What is the exact area of the circle? This is trying to trick you because this is not the radius. The temptation is just to plug this in, but that's not the radius, it's the diameter. The radius is going to be half that. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the circumference, to the outside edge. So that is going to be 5, which is half of 10. 10 divided by 2, 5. Okay, you get it? All right, now the area equals 3.14 times radius squared. Don't forget to square it. So that means we're going to do 25 times 3.14. 3.14 times 25. Survey says 78.5. So we're going to type that in for our answer, 78.5. Okay, same thing looks like, except it gives us the radius. And wasn't this the one we just did? Yes, it's the same thing we just did. It gives us the radius, and we're going to use the same formula, 5 squared times 3.14 equals the area. So we get the same thing, 78.5. I don't know why I did that, but whatever. We'll take the free points. Next question. Find the area of a circle with circumference of 12.56. We've already seen one like this, so we're going to wrap this up real soon. 12.56 equals 2 pi r. We need to divide by 2 pi to get our answer. So we're going to do 12.56 divided by, and I'm going to put parentheses, 2 times 3.14. And once I do this, I get r equals 2. So now we have 2, and we plug that into our formula. Area equals 3.14, 2 squared. That's going to be 4 times 3.14. 4 times 3.14. And I get from my area 12.56. So I get the same thing back again. That's kind of cool, 12.56. So 12.56. Maybe do one more just to see if it's one we have already done. We won't do it. Okay, diameter. So this one you just find in half. Okay, you're going to divide this by 2. That's 64 times 3.14. 8 squared, 50. So I get 200.96. I said I was going to do one more, but I guess I'm just doing it quickly. Okay, same thing. What is the area? So we're going to get 1 squared is 1 times 3.14 is just going to be 3.14. And then that's it. That's all there is to area of a circle. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's loading. There it is. I leveled up too. What do you know? If you need any other help on area or anything else with geometry or Algebra 2 or advanced topics, whatever you need, leave a comment. I'm here to help. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you later.